Is the shur on Tefillah. We got to 13 attributes of the chesed, kindness of Hashem, merciless of Hashem. And right now, we are by most of the mitzvot, or by the Emet. Now, one of the mitzvot of Levychaim about Hakadosh Baruch Hu is the Emet. Emet means the truth. Emet, the truth. So 13 mitzvot of Levychaim, the Emet, truth. Now, Persian say, what's the pshat of truth? What's the truth? The truth is that Yachad Israel really why the truth is midat chesed, midat rachamim. In other words, the truth is the truth, it's judgment. Why is it midat rachamim? But Hakadosh Baruch Hu deals with the type of truth with Yachad Israel that the inner part of Yachad Israel, the inner intention of Yachad Israel, because they are the children of Abraham, of Yaakov, they want to do good things. The only thing is that the galut, the exile, people around, the environment, our environment makes us to do evil. Like Yaakov Avinu, when he told Hakadosh Baruch Hu, that save me, he says, miyat esav, miyat achim. Now he says that miyat esav, miyat achim. From the hand of Esau, from the hand of Achim. Now, unfortunately, why too many terms to be used? From the hand of Esau and of Achim. He says that Esau could fight with me in two ways. One way is Esau Harasha, he wants to destroy me. He wants to destroy Yachad Israel. Please help me out that he should not be able to destroy Yachad Israel. There's another way of destruction is Achim, brother. He becomes my friend, becomes my brother. And through being brother has impact on Yachad Israel. And through that, he will destroy Yachad Israel. The brotherhood, being friend, and getting the hashpah from the Esau, acting like a brother. So Yaakov and Hakadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem, please save me, miyat achim, miyat Esau, from my brother, from Esau. In other words, from the brotherhood or from the hatred, both. Therefore, there is Esau has hashpah, the goyim have hashpah. Like the passage that Hashem says, Al tarinu she'ani shechar kored. Don't look at me that I'm black. That this blackness is not born in me. The sun made me black. Now, before she say, what means the sun made me black? Because I'm in exile, I'm in Galut, I'm not at home. Therefore, somebody's out of home, the sun shines on him and makes him black. I'm in Galut, I'm not in the place that should be. Therefore, Goyim have hashpah, have impact on me and change me. Therefore, there is, when we say Emet in the 13 mitzvot of Rachamim, we are referring to tell Hakadosh Baruch Hu Hashem, our inner intention is to do your ratzon, to do your will. The only thing is that the circumstances, the things around, we're not letting us to do whatever that we want to do. But our real will and ratzon is to do your ratzon, to do your mitzvot, to what the temptation, the society, the dirt of the society, the circumstances, the galut, the pressure, tension, whatever that's in galut doesn't let us. So interesting, when Hakadosh Baruch Hu went to Moshe Rabbeinu, said, when Moshe Rabbeinu sent to Yachad Israel, told them, Hashem wants to save you from all of the galut and the exile of Mitzrayim, they didn't accept Moshe Rabbeinu. The apostle says, the Moshe Rabbeinu came with the great offer for Yachad Israel to save them with Arbal Shunut, Arbal language of Geula, redemption, and they are under suffering, so much suffering and slavery. Everybody would jump on the idea, but the Torah says they didn't accept the Kotze Rubach Ma'abodah Kasha. From the Kotze Rubach, shortness of breath because of the pressure and the hard working. Shortness of breath and pressure could make a person to give them the best offer in the world, not to accept it. Torah is testifying that that happens to people. Now, here in Midot of Rachamim, we are telling HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem, don't pay attention to the external things that's happening to us. See our real will and ratzon that is there to do your avodah. We want really to be devoted to you. And that's what HaKadosh says. when a person is the Emet, and really, in truth, he wants to be Tavuch to Hashem. He wants to connect with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and he really means it. Hashem facilitates for him. Hashem creates an avira. Hashem creates circumstances, whatever that's needed to be worked out for him. Therefore, Asur Keseder Azed. And Gemara says, when you do this seder, the seder of 30 minutes of Levychaim is not just reading. Asur, you should do it. What do you mean you should do it? You should read it or you should do it? You should do it. When you say Emet, you should really adapt your inner will to do the Ratzon of Hashem in the true manner I want to do, but there are the obstacles on my behalf. There's a pressure of Parnasa, so there's a pressure of society, there's a pressure of, I want to keep my eyes kadosh, I want to keep my mouth kadosh, I want to keep my ears kadosh, but it's not happening because this society, the dirt and the environment of society doesn't let me. Now, if somebody really, with the bottom of his heart, the truth, he tells HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Emet, my inner truth is to serve you properly, then Hashem would make and facilitate whatever that's needed that you should be able to do it. Therefore, let's be mechaven on this word of 13 attributes and make such a great investment in our life.